Method 1. First, turn on the machine, prepare the triangle and cut the sheet. Secondly, the descending cutting head rises to the highest position. Place the cut sheet obliquely under the laser head. Press and hold the shooting button and the direction button at the same time to continuously shoot into lines. The thinnest part of the line is where the focus is. Click the direction button to move the laser head to the thinnest line. Place the triangular ruler parallel to the inclined plate. Measure the distance between the laser head and the sheet. The resulting data is the focal length. Finally, place the cut sheet parallel to the tabletop. Using the triangle as the measurement basis, turn the screw. Adjust the distance between the laser head and the parallel plate to the correct focal length. At this point, the adjustment of the focal length is completed. Method 2. Turn on the machine. Place the sheet to be cut flat on the table. Adjust the lifting screws on the laser head in turn. Move the lens barrel from low point to high point. By adjusting the height of the laser head, shooting in turn hits 3 dots on the plate from left to right. Every time you hit a point, you need to measure the distance from the laser head to the plate. A process in which the point changes from large to small and then from small to large. When cutting round holes is the smallest. The most powerful beam. The laser head is in the correct focus position. If cutting thick material, you need to focus below the material surface for better results.